You know that a program is beneficial when at the end of the day, they don't want to go home. They are enjoying, they're thriving, they are learning, and they want to be here. They want to come every day. Hi, I'm Megan. I am the Early Childhood Education Manager here at Unisus School. So our Unisus program is more of an IB methodology-based learning program. When your children are dropped off, we're not just babysitting them for the day, we're actually learning preschool tactics. Right now we have STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We have a fine arts program, so we have music every Thursday. We're learning early reading with our big buddies every Thursday as well. We also offer Spanish. This offers an early communication aspect in a different language, which is very helpful, and this is something that a lot of different schools do not offer. We have 17 acres of land and it's all forested area, so we really dive into that. We have an outdoor forest program, I like to call it a forest school, where we're learning outdoor safety, we are exploring, we are hiking. There's so much room for activity and growth. It's pretty great. We're pretty flexible with our drop-off, but we open our doors at 8:15 a.m. And we have 3 set meal times. So the morning snack is packed by the parents, midday lunch is packed by the parents, and our last snack is provided by the Unisus School's Agora, which is their cafeteria. Very delicious, very nutritious. The kids always eat it, it's lovely. Our educators here at Unisus, we are all ECE certified. We've all gone to school to be early childhood educators. I have been in this industry for the last 15 years. This is my life. So being with children from the ages of 2.5 to 5 is absolutely inspiring and fulfilling for myself and our other educators here as well. So to bring the cost down further, families are also eligible to apply for the Affordable Childcare Benefit. We also offer the Childcare Fee Reduction Initiative. This helps a lot of families be able to afford childcare in all areas, but especially for our school, what you're getting out of it is a lot more, so it's a great initiative to have, which makes daycare and school a lot more affordable. We're inspiring the next generation of learners, and that's exactly what is to be expected when you drop them off here.